These people have been waiting hundreds of days, oftentimes many years, for an organ transplant. It can be a long wait, sometimes too long. Last year in the United States alone, 6,500 people died waiting for an organ. The wait for an organ can be long for several reasons: an acute shortage of donors, and problems matching donors with recipients. 1 of 3 patients awaiting transplants has become hypersensitized due to previous medical history. Their bodies will react negatively to the donor organ no matter how close the match. Some are never matched with a donor. Year after year, the gap between the number of people on the waiting list and those receiving transplants grows wider. What if you could help change this trend by furthering a technology that could increase the organ donor pool and decrease organ rejection? Would you? We believe we are well on the way to finding a solution to making any organ, any body, reality. Over the past 14 years, Pure Transplant Solutions has developed a proprietary source of proteins for antibody screening and a selective antibody removal column. These combined technologies allow specific antibody removal, reducing the need for such precise matching of donor and recipient. We're a small but passionate team, committed to bringing this much-needed product to market. We have transplant centers in the U.S., the United Kingdom, Paris, and Brazil ready to use the column in clinical trials for their patients.
The therapy we are developing is similar to dialysis, but has the benefit of making transplantation possible between 2 people, such as a husband and wife, who are not a good match. Unlike existing columns, our technology removes only those antibodies specific to each recipient that triggers organ rejection and eventually leads to transplant failure. Our column leaves the immune system's protective antibodies intact. This allows the immediate transplantation of previously unacceptably matched organs. It offers extended organ survival rates, resulting in fewer retransplants, a larger pool of donors, and an effectively larger supply of available organs.
We have a working prototype and preclinical data to support the viability of this project. We also have the support of many leaders in the transplant field. The prospects for dramatically improving transplant medicine and patient quality of life are vast. That's why we are determined to obtain regulatory approval for this technology.
With your support, we can take the next step towards clinical trials and generate the proof necessary to secure additional funding or an industry partner to take our device through the regulatory approval process.
Those of you who want to make a living donation of a kidney or bone marrow to a loved one, even if you're not a perfect match, would be able to do so with this device. We can't make the need for organ transplantation go away, but we can forward a technology that addresses the donor organ shortage crisis and could one day extend and improve the lives of millions. Please help us get the word out by sharing this campaign with your friends and family. Together, we have the ability to revolutionize transplant medicine and make any organ, any body possible. Thank you for your support.